friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to tag someone in a comment in Google Docs document. So as you can see here, I have this Google Docs document here, guys, and in order to tag someone in this document, you want to go ahead and find where you have the comment. So let's use this comment as an example here, and in order to tag that person, as you can see here, it says reply or add others with the @ sign. So let's say I want to add someone. All I have to do, I'm gonna just say, for example, Andrew, please do this as an example, this task, and you want to go ahead and put the @ sign, and you will start to see emails appear. Now, all you have to do is just basically select the email address of that person, and you want to go ahead and you want to click on reply. Once you do that, that person will reply. Now, keep in mind that if you want to add a new person, if the person already have access to this document, then they will have the same access. Other than that, if you want to add a new person, you just have to put a new email address there. And let's say I want to add this new person here. I'm going to go ahead and add that person, then click on reply, and you will see that you get this box up here now that says share with. Now you will have the option now to choose if you want this person to be a commenter or an editor. You choose whatever you want and then click and comment. Now, if you want to basically give this to anyone with the link, you can choose this option, choose whatever access you want to give to them, and basically click on comment. And that's it. That's how you do it, guys. Very easy and very simple.